Hi everyone and welcome to the Mushroom Den. So I want to show you real quick how I make my bacon bits. I'll be using these a lot in upcoming recipes and I want to make sure we have a dedicated video just for it. So to make the bacon bits, in the mixing bowl, add in some oil. Here I'm using some olive oil, some low sodium Tamari sauce, vegan Worcestershire sauce, and liquid smoke, some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and some Mesquite seasoning. Go ahead and whisk everything to incorporate all the ingredients. Then add your bacon. In this case we're using some coconut chips. Make sure every single chips of the coconut is soaked up with the seasoning. And I forgot to add some sweetener. Here I'm using agave syrup. Mix everything and let it rest in the fridge for at least an hour. Actually let mine sit overnight. And you can see that it's changed color, meaning the seasonings are well absorbed. Spread everything on a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. Spread them as much as you can so they don't overlap too much, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Then pop these in the oven at 350 for exactly 10 minutes. Then turn off your oven and let them sit for another 5 minutes. And here's what they look like. As they cool down, they become crunchier. The seasoning here is key, and letting it rest in the fridge for some time gives you the best result. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. And as always, until the next video, have a blessed one.